Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this stunning 308 in the GT line specification. It comes in the ultimate red paint and features a lovely panoramic glass roof, 18-inch alloy wheels, full LED headlights, tinted rear windows. There's front and rear parking sensors with a 180-degree reversing camera. Inside the car you've got the touchscreen that features sat-nav, DAB digital radio, as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. And some of the other features of this car include dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers and cruise control. So let's have a look around. This car comes with a 1.5 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 130 horsepower and has a 6-speed manual gearbox. It's done less than 4,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.